Foodchem International Corporation, established in 2006 in Shanghai, China, is a Chinese professional company in innovation, marketing, and distribution of food additives and ingredients. With over 500 products and a world-class supplier base, Foodchem offers one-stop-shop solutions to more than 6,000 customers, which covers 140 countries and regions in the world. Foodchem has been focusing on the food additives and food ingredients industry for 16 years. We have accumulated rich industry resources and experience and have relatively complete product supply capabilities. We not only provide conventional products such as thickeners, sweeteners, preservatives, antioxidants, emulsifiers, proteins, vitamins, amino acids, dehydrated vegetables, but also compound products and self-developed products. Foodchem adheres to strict supplier access assessment, product quality inspection, and pre-shipment inspection to provide reliable quality assurance from supply to delivery with efficient and high-quality services. Foodchem has established 3 global warehousing centers and 7 distribution bases in Asia, Europe, and America while providing timely and efficient distribution support. Foodchem provides customers with high-quality real-time response services from consultant to after-sales. Foodchem adheres to the concept of professional service, not only provides specific products, but also provides technical support for product application according to the actual needs of customers. Foodchem provides professional technical services and corresponding solutions. To be a loyal friend of customers and a reliable transaction service provider, and win-win development with customers is our consistent goal. Sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.